Okay, let's just jump right in. We're going to tackle one of the biggest, maybe even one of the scariest questions in finance today. Can you really, truly use AI to get rich?
I mean, you hear about it all the time, right? AI is writing essays, it's making incredible art. So why couldn't it master the stock market? Could some bot, some algorithm really be the secret key to wealth? That's a huge promise.
Now, to figure this out, we're not just going to speculate. We're actually digging into a really sharp analysis from the team over at EliteWave Consulting. They've done the hard work of separating the hype from what's actually happening, and we're going to walk through what they found. All right, first up, the billion-dollar question. Let's talk about the hype and the hope. And we're all feeling it. This isn't some niche thing just for tech geeks anymore. This is a massive question on everyone's mind.
I mean, that obsession with AI, it's just everywhere you look. But here's the real rub, the thing we're going to unpack. Can this amazing tech actually deliver on that ultimate promise? The one about making you rich.
Okay, so decoding AI investing. Before we can answer that big question, we've got to be clear on what we're even talking about. Because AI investing isn't just one single thing. Not at all.
So at its heart, it's all about using these super smart algorithms to do the grunt work. We're talking about crunching massive amounts of data, finding trends, and even placing trades, often with very little human help. That's the key part, minimal human intervention. But what that looks like in practice can be pretty different. And this is a really important distinction. You've got two main flavors here. First, there's AI-powered research. Think of this like a supercharged financial librarian. It finds all the info to help you make the call. But then you've got the automated trading bots, and these are totally different. They decide for you. They're like this emotionless apprentice that just follows orders and executes a strategy, boom, boom, boom. Very different animals.
All right, Section 3, the promise of bots. Let's zoom in on these bots for a minute. Let's talk about the exciting part, the upside. Why is there so much buzz? What's the dream scenario?
Well, the dream, it's this perfect, clean process. Step 1, the AI scans just insane amounts of data. News headlines, financial reports, social media chatter, all in seconds. Step 2, it finds these little patterns, these opportunities that are basically invisible to you or me. And step 3, it pulls the trigger. It makes the trade instantly. No fear, no greed, no hesitation.
And this is why that dream feels so real. You've got blazing speed. You've got a machine that watches the market 24/7 and never gets tired. And the big one, you get decisions without all that messy human emotion. The fact that it can process all that data and test its ideas on past events, that's what makes this whole thing so alluring.
Okay, that was the dream. Now for the other side of the coin. Section 4, the perils of bots. Because with all that power comes some pretty serious risk. And we absolutely have to talk about the dangers of just handing your cash over to an algorithm.
And this quote from John Maynard Keynes just nails it. The market can remain irrational longer than you can remain solvent. See, a bot runs on logic. It looks for patterns. But the market doesn't always play by the rules. It can be completely nuts. And no matter how smart your AI is, it can't really prepare for pure, human-driven chaos.
So how can it all go wrong? Oh, let me count the ways. The data it learned from could be biased. It could be overfit, meaning it's perfectly tuned for the past, but completely lost in the present. It might see a fake news story and go haywire, sparking a sell-off. Or worse, it can make a flash crash even bigger. And you can never forget the simplest one, a good old-fashioned technical glitch.
And that's the really scary part about all this automation. It just takes one bad algorithm, one tiny mistake in the code, and that one mistake can trigger enormous automatic losses, faster than you can even react. We're talking minutes, seconds even.
Okay, so that brings us to the final verdict. We've seen the dream, we've seen the nightmare, so where does that leave us? Let's get back to our big question. Can a bot make you rich? This scorecard from the analysis really lays it all out. Look at AI research tools. The reward is, you can make smarter decisions. The risk, you get overwhelmed, analysis paralysis. Now look at the automated bots. The reward is huge, high-speed automated gains, but the risk is just as huge, high-speed catastrophic losses. You see the pattern here? The bigger the potential reward, the bigger the potential disaster.
And that really brings us to the key takeaway. The one thing you need to remember from all this. AI is a powerful, powerful tool. It's a game changer, but it is not a magic money machine. It just isn't.
So, maybe we've been asking the wrong question this whole time. Maybe the question isn't, can a bot make me rich? The real question is, am I prepared to manage the risk? Are you ready to really understand this tech, to guide the strategy, and to handle the huge, huge risks that come with it? That is the question you need to answer for yourself.